And welcome back to the channel again. Today I'll be showing you how to test a main relay on Honda and Acura vehicles. So it's kind of an old system, but they are still around. So if you suspect that your main relay is going bad on your Honda vehicles and you have no check engine light, normally they don't turn on the check engine light and they tend to fail on hot weather. But I'm not saying, I don't mean that they don't fail on any other time, like in winter or when it's cold. They do also, but most of the time when it's hot, so the vehicle only will crank, it won't start because it will prevent the fuel pump from starting and therefore also the fuel injectors. And so with that in mind, let's get started. And we're gonna start here. This is the positive. As you can see, I have a small alligator here, and I use this type of, because I can insert it here like this, very easy, as you can see. So that's the positive, and this is the negative here. As you can see, it's also the same. And now I put some protection here. This is body chop tape, as you can see, and the positive here because they were getting too close at the time of trying to make some tests. So now I'm okay. So now number one, number two. Number one is the negative and number two is the positive, as you can see. And I'm gonna be checking continuity right now that is connected. Number four, number five, as you can see, 4 and 5. Let's see this thing here. All right, number 4, number 5. That was number 4 and number 5 here. All right, so that step is good. Let's go to the next one. Next step, number 5. We're gonna look for number 5 here, and it's this one here, as you can see. Number 5 is this. Oops. That's the positive on number 5. And we're gonna look for number 3, which is this on the other side here in the corner. Now we clicked already. And now we're gonna check continuity between pins 6 and 7 here. And this step is good too. So far everything is good. That was pin 6 and 7 here. Checking continuity, and let's go to the next step. All right, and to save a little bit of time here, I connected the wires already. Number 6 here, positive, and negative is a number 1. And we're gonna check continuity between 4 and 5, pin 4 and 5. I got my multimeter here. And it has continuity. So this relay is in perfect condition, and this is the way to test the main relays on Honda vehicles. And here you can see the instructions a little bit better with the Honda software. Only 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, very easy. These are the order of the pins here, and this is like the circuit board of the main relay, or the diagram, ignition, ground, switch. This is the PCM, fuel pump, ECM, and battery here. So it's very easy to follow. So I hope this video can help you out a little bit, so you can figure out how to test the main relay on your vehicle. So here is how to do it. All right, now if you suspect this is your problem, especially if you don't have check engine light, because normally they don't turn on the check engine light when this goes bad, this main relay. So now you know how to test it, and you can diagnose your own vehicle. You don't have to go to a shop to pay for it. I hope this video can help you a little bit. Thanks for watching the video, and God bless you all.